No More Newbie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to find the best time to upload your YouTube videos to give yourself the best opportunity to get maximum views and maximum watch time for your YouTube videos. And YouTube wants to actually suggest your videos to others, but it wants to see that it's performing well, getting views and getting a decent amount of watch time on the video. And in an example here it says the first hour that your video is live is the most critical, the next most critical hour is the second hour, followed by the third hour, and so on. So YouTube wants to see that your YouTube video is being watched and being viewed by others. Now you do need to take into account the people that are watching your videos and where in the world they are. So if we look at my channel for an example, we can see that almost half my views come from United States, and then we've got United Kingdom and Canada, India, Australia. They're all in different time zones, so we need to bear this in mind when we're uploading our videos. But YouTube can actually help us to find out when the best time is, and we can do that by going into our YouTube channel. So you can do this on your phone as well. Just type in youtube.com desktop and click on the first one, which is studio.youtube.com, and then that'll take us to the same sort of screen as I'm showing you here on the laptop. You click on your icon on the top right hand corner and go into YouTube Studio, and then we're looking down the left hand side, and then we can see there's a tab called Analytics. So we want to click on our Analytics, and when we've clicked on that, we can look, there's 4 tabs across the top, and we want to click on Audience. So once we've clicked on the audience, then that's going to give us some information about who's watching our videos, and this will really help us to work out when to view or when to upload our videos. So if we scroll down a little bit, here we go, it says when your viewers are on YouTube. So they're not necessarily watching your channel, but this is when YouTube says that they've looked at your subscribers, and this is roughly when they are watching YouTube, whether it's your channel or not. So if you hover over all these bars, the lighter the color, the less your viewers are on YouTube. So as we scroll down, you can see it starts getting darker, and it says some of your viewers are on YouTube. As it gets darker, it starts saying many of your viewers are on YouTube, and it keeps going like that. So we're obviously looking for a darker color when we want to upload it, but what we want to do is not necessarily upload it at its darkest. We might want to do it an hour or 2 before. So that's what we're looking for, is the best time to upload our videos. Personally, I play about with this a little bit, but usually I upload just before it says many of your viewers are on YouTube. So you can play about with it and get it how you want it. But if you actually scroll down, you can see that YouTube actually will recommend a time that it thinks that you could possibly upload your videos. So there's a Sunday to Saturday options here, and it got different times underneath. And here it says, based on our analysis, the following hours would be the ideal time to post for each day of the week. Okay, so that is a recommendation. You could go with what YouTube thinks from there. Or you can just use this as a guide as to roughly when you want to upload your videos on relevant days. So I hope this has helped and will help you increase the amount of views you get on your videos and the amount of watch time you get on your videos. And if you have found it useful, do check out the other videos that are on the screen now and watch the playlist as much as you want to. And do hit the like if you found this useful. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do. And comment below if you like this. Thanks very much, and bye.